I say bring it. Those are my first thoughts. Bring it. People are upset, they're complaining, they're fussing, they're having all these bad thoughts talking about, oh, what I'm going to do. People are shocked, they're disappointed, they're sad, they're discouraged, they're feeling defeated, they're feeling like it's not worth it to do YouTube anymore, all because YouTube made a change in the monetization. I say bring it. They're saying it's awful and they're going through hard times and they don't care about the little people. They're cursing and they're feeling hopeless. I say bring it. Companies do this all the time. It happened during the pandemic. All of a sudden, when the pandemic was over with, the groceries was double. All the things that we paid for was twice the amount. Yeah, we fussed a little bit, but we made our adjustments. And that's what's going to happen this time. It's just an adjustment. I say bring it. 8,000, I'm about to say $8,000. Yeah, I can say $8,000, but 8,000 watch hours compared to 4,000 watch hours, it can happen. All you have to do is plan and come up with a strategy of how you're going to increase it. It's not going to happen. It's not happening now. It's not going to happen until February, more than 4 months away from now. It's plenty of time to get prepared and get ready to start to increase your videos or increase whatever your strategy is, whatever you do to get the amount of watch hours that you do. I think it's doable. And my channel, if you're even looking at it, you can look at it after this video. My channel is very small. And I am not in it and depending on YouTube as my form of income. Yes, I would love AdSense. Yes, I would love to be monetized that way, but there are other ways of monetizing. And my purpose is primarily to share experiences, knowledge, and stories from this 69-year-old that have lived and gone through a lot to help you. This There's going to be more changes than this. This is not the end of the world. As a matter of fact, there are 8.31 billion with a B billion people on the earth. And by using YouTube, this platform, you can reach all of them or majority of them. You can reach that entire world through YouTube to increase your number of watch hours. I just say it's doable. I just say bring it. I'm fine with it. I don't see a problem with it. I was actually, I think I was coming from, I was on my way to the grocery store and I saw the post from YouTube itself. And and it was just announcing the program. And my first thought was, oh my goodness, people are not going to like this. Things change. And it always changed for the better. It may be for the betterment of them. It's definitely going to be for the betterment of me because you know what? I'm motivated. It's a challenge to me. It's like an opportunity for me to increase my watch hours or even pay attention to it. But I think it's a great opportunity. I don't have those negative impressions, those adverse impressions and opinions about the program. It's their company. They can do what they want, just like your company or your home or whatever it is that you own. You can do as you wish. So that's my thoughts are. Come up with a plan is what you should do, is what I'm going to do. I started this publishing challenge. It was just really for myself, just to help myself to get really comfortable publishing. I had no problems recording. I have problems with editing because I don't really know it and I'm learning it. But I had a problem with making all these videos, but never uploading them, never publishing them. So I put myself on this publish challenge. And then this announcement came out. I'm like, this works out fine with me because my publishing is every day. My goal was to do publishing for 90 days. I might extend it to 100 days, so anywhere from 90 to 100 days. But I'm determined. I've made some mistakes already. I've learned one of the mistakes. I'll tell you here right now. This is my second recording of this because I recorded this twice. I recorded it. Let me fix that. I recorded it once. This is my second recording. I go to put it in the editor just so I can look at it and see and do what I and remove what I just did, remove a couple little filler words. Nothing. Nothing was on. There was no audio. It was just my mouth just going. And so apparently I recorded it with no sound. So here I am again. But anyway, those things happen, and you have to make adjustments and make changes as things do. These situations happen. My mistake was, and what I learned from it, and will learn from it, was to test it first. And who knows, this could be a test. It could be that YouTube decide maybe we'll go back, maybe we'll change. They may even increase it even more. Who knows? But I suggest you keep a positive mindset and get prepared and get ready to start putting out and pushing out your videos as you have been. Make sure that you get in what's required, the 1,000 subscribers. I think you can actually start with the 500 to at least get into the partner program and get those 4,000 watch hours before the end of January, which is really before February 1st of 2027. And all you got to do is join the partners program. And once you join the partner program, you're in. You're not affected by the 8,000 watch hours that is required. So that's what I suggest. I suggest you do that. I suggest you elevate your thinking, elevate your thoughts, and come up with a plan where you can increase or start to produce your videos or produce more videos. For me, it's on. I'm like pumped up. I'm like ready. I'm motivated. I'm like, I can't wait. I'm just excited. I'm already recording videos, not recording, but I'm publishing videos every day. So I'm just going to continue what I'm already doing. If you haven't started doing it, maybe you want to do it. Maybe you want to join me on this publishing challenge for yourself. But do what's necessary and start recording and publishing your videos so that you're able to increase your opportunities for watch hours and increase your opportunities for subscribers. Since I started this challenge, I was surprised that I got comments. I wasn't even expecting comments, but I increased subscribers. I lost a couple of subscribers, but I increased subscribers. I have more subscribers than I had when I first started. And I know, I'm confident that number is going to increase. I'm not even at 100 or 100 subscribers yet, but I believe and I know and I'm confident and I'm just going to stay there. And I think that you should too. Some of you are probably at a couple thousand. Some of you are probably at maybe you're probably at 4,900 something, and you just need just a couple little more hours to cross over. But change your mindset. Start to think favorable and positive because this is possible. This is doable. For me, it's like being in a race. It's like being in a race and you're going to win because you know you can win. You make a decision to win. And that's what it's like. It's just like being in a race. I'm not scared. I'm excited. I am pumped. Like I said, it's like a challenge. So I'm asking you, am I the only one that feels this way? Because all the videos I've seen, they're all discouraging and downing. And I don't even want to even spend any time talking about that. But for me, I'm in the 1% that's probably going to cross right over, and I will be in the 4,000 watch hours and the 1,000 category long before that updated requirement happens, the 8,000 watch hours requirement happens. I'm already believing I'm going to be there, so it doesn't even matter. You got to believe. So you can quit, but if you quit, that means the 8.31 billion people that are in this world have an opportunity to just increase my watch hours. It's just as simple as that. And others of us who are thinking favorable, thinking positive, thinking can do, thinking bring it, thinking is on, all of us who are like, let's go, it's go time, let's get going. We're going to be ones that's not affected by that 8,000 number. So that's what I'm going to share with you today. I think you need to just elevate your thoughts about it come up with your plan and start publishing and getting your videos out there. Keep a positive, favorable mindset always. And watch your numbers start to increase. That's all I have about that for right now. And I will see you in the next video.